This video is about window management in Windows. When I have a lot of windows open, the way to switch between them, usually what people do is they go to the taskbar and they select the window that they want to bring to the front, and they may minimize windows to try to cut down on the clutter. But we have some other tools in Windows that we can use to switch between windows. The first one has been around for a long time. It's the Alt+Tab method. So if you hold down Alt and press the Tab key, you get this menu in the middle of the screen, and as you press the Tab key, you cycle between all of the windows that are open and the ones that are minimized, and when you stop with the Tab key and release the Alt key, then that window comes to the front. If your graphics card can handle it, you also have the option of holding down the Windows key and Tab, and that gives you this nice 3D effect, and you can file through the open windows as if they were a card file. And when you have the window in the front that you want, you release the Windows key and it comes to the front. Now if the clutter gets to be too much for you, you can hold down the Windows key and press D, and that will show your desktop. Another thing about the taskbar, while I'm showing you the taskbar, is if you right-click on the taskbar away from the program files, you can choose Properties, and then you can auto-hide the taskbar. That gives you a little bit more space on your screen so that the taskbar only comes up when you move the mouse to it. I have my taskbar on the left because my laptop has a wide screen to it, and so I have more room on the sides than I do on the top or bottom. But you can put it on the left, the right, the top, or the bottom, and those are options in that Properties menu. Now let me talk about child windows. So let me bring this Excel spreadsheet back. I have two files open here in Excel, and the quirky thing about Excel is when you open more than one file, they both open up into the same parent window. So you'll notice that here in the menu bar I have window controls, and this is for the child window inside of the parent that this file is attached to. So if I restore the child window, then you'll see that I have two windows here inside of Excel, both of which have their own window controls. If you go to the View menu and you go to the Arrange button, you can control the different ways that these might be displayed within the parent window. Then if you want to just look at one file, you can hit Maximize, and now you're just looking at the one file, where of course once you maximize it, the controls for that child window go into the menu bar of the parent.